everyone, I'm Teacher Zilla and welcome to CIJ SPARTA campus. Today, I will go to Papakits Marina and Fishing Lagoon to let you see what they have. Let's go! So hi guys, so I'm already here in Papakits Marina Fishing Lagoon. So it's just only 6 minutes far away from CIJ. So they will open around 9 o'clock in the morning until 11 p.m. in the evening. And before we will go there, so let's ride the shuttle. It's just free. Let's go! So now we are already here in their activities area, and they have a lot of activities here like sky bike, bike riding, and hamsters. So our first activity for today is zip line. So we will go zip line. Okay, let's go. Go upstairs. Guys, I'm really nervous because this is my first time in zip line, so I can though it's really nervous, but it's really fun. So I'm done with the zip line climbing. So now I have to recommend you the hanging bridge. And they have also some wall climbing. So let's go. And now this is the wall climbing. As you can see, it's really tall. So guys, if you really want to do some activities, just go here in Papakits. I assure you that it's really fun. So now let's go to another activities, which is sky bike and hamster wheel. So this is the second activity. Right. So this is the hamster wheel, and there's are the people behind here. Say hi. And this is the sky bike. So now we are here in Papakits in the restaurants, and we will see what they have. So let's go inside. They have also the light band in here at the back. So they will open it here around 10 a.m. until 11 p.m. So let's go inside of the back. So here is the Papakits, and you can see at the back that it was really good. And if you want to order some food, so you just go to the order outside inside, and you can do whatever you want in here, eating, drinking, and talking with your friends. Let's go here in Papakits.